Alright, here we go. Welcome to Tech Social Tips, and this is the PowerA Xbox controller. Now this is the enhanced wired version. It'll work with Xbox One and Windows 10. And this one will also work with the new Xbox Series X. Now, I picked up the white one. This one is also officially certified by Microsoft. It also has a couple of programmable buttons located on the back of the controller. Let's unbox this. So as you can see, we got the controller, of course, the owner's manual, and a 10-foot cable to go along with it. And that's pretty much it. Let's check out the controller. Alright, so this controller, it feels nice. The surface of it is real smooth, so it feels nice in your hands. The analog sticks have a nice grip to it. I don't see this thing slipping out of your hand. The buttons feel nice. These back buttons, actually, they feel real smooth. Alright, let's check out the programmable buttons at the back. You have two programmable buttons here at the back. This one is AGR and, well, I would assume this one will be AGL. I guess AG will stand for Advanced Gaming. They're called Advanced Gaming buttons on the box. At the top here is where you would insert the USB cable, and it's nice that it's detachable. So if you need to replace the cable, you can. Also, I forgot to mention, at the bottom of the controller, you have a port for your standard 3.5mm headphone jack. Although there is something worth mentioning here. The USB port for the cable that comes with it is proprietary. If you look closely, you will see that there's a notch inside the USB port. And on the cable itself, there's a slot for that notch to fit into. So this means, unfortunately, you won't be able to just put any USB cable in there. You're probably going to have to get a USB cable from PowerA to work with this controller. I guess if you can find replacement cables, it'll be a good option for you, but it is what it is. I do like that they include a Velcro strap on the cable. It makes it easy to tidy that up and put it away when you're ready. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I do wish that they didn't make the cable proprietary, because I have a 15-foot cable that I wish I can use with this controller, but unfortunately I can't. If you can find one that's not so thick, it might fit in there, but I've tried the ones that I have and they don't fit. But it's a pretty nice alternative. Now this is about half price from an original Xbox controller. You may want to pick it up. Now by the time you have watched this video, I will have already used this controller, and I will be providing another video on my feedback and how it performs. So if you want to get that video, subscribe and click the notification bell. You'll get noticed as soon as I release it. Until next time, peace.